Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video tutorial, we shall see how to receive a single character, both in assembly as well as C. So the question will be like this: write an 8051 program to receive a character serially. Okay. So you can write a program to receive a character continuously or once. Okay. And baud rate he has given 9600, 8-bit data and 1 stop bit. Okay. So we shall write the program for the same. So we have already seen the steps. So org 0h move tmod comma hash 20h, then move th1 for 9600 it is 0fdh, then move scon comma hash 50h, then set bit tr1. Start the timer. Okay, now once you start the timer, as I told, this is asynchronous communication. So at any time you can receive the data. Okay. So what you should do? So you should simply wait for the RI bit. Okay. So jump on no bit RI comma wait. What does it mean? RI bit will be set only when you receive a character. Okay. Until then you are waiting for character reception. Once you receive a character, this RI bit will become 1 and you will come out of this loop. Okay. So as soon as you come out of the loop, okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to copy the data from the SBUF. So how will you copy? So I will copy in accumulate. So move a comma SBUF. So what is this? I am reading the received character. Okay. So for the next reception, you have to clear RI flag. Okay. And if you want to repeat this again and again, you can say sjump to wait. Okay. If you don't want, you have an infinite loop and end the program. Okay. You will receive only one character. Okay. So let's compile this. Okay. Now see, I will execute the program. See. So if you see here, it will be always in this loop. Okay. Because you have not received any character. Okay. So if the PC sends any character from the hyperterminal, so RI will become 1 and this will come out of the loop. Okay. For that, what I will do is I will keep a breakpoint. Okay. Breakpoint is that point wherein if you run the code, it will execute the code until that breakpoint. So how to keep the breakpoint is simply click there. So that red dot indicates you have kept a breakpoint and run the code. Okay. So when you receive something, okay, in that case, it will come out of that loop. Okay. So I will write A. Let's execute once again. And I'm sending a character called A. Let me reset it. Let me stop and let me run it again. Now I will send a character A. So if you see now, in accumulator 41 has come because I have entered capital A and ASCII value of capital A is 41. Okay. So that's the program in assembly. The same program you can write also in C language. Okay, I already have the program. I will simply go through because now you already know how to write the programs. So I will include the header, then I will define a unsigned character to receive the character. I have configured tmod, th1, scon, and I have started the timer. So I am waiting for the RA flag to be 1. So once RA flag becomes 1, so whatever is in sbuf, I am copying it into the character byte which I have defined. And at last I am clearing the RA flag. Okay. So this is how you receive a single character. Okay. Thank you.